guys, Justin here with JHart Modelworks. We are either done with the Ferrari F355 or we will be wrapping it up very, very soon. There are a couple of projects I want to start bringing onto the bench. I don't know if I'm going to do these both at the same time, like side by side or not, or if I'm just going to start on one, finish it, and then start on the next. But I figured I'd go ahead and get both of the unboxings out of the way. The first is going to be the Tamiya Ducati 916. This will be my second motorcycle build. I've only done one other motorcycle. That was for a friend of mine a long, long time ago. I did a replica of his Harley. For this is going to be my first motorcycle for me. And it looks like it's going to be a really fun kit. We do have some 3D printed extras. Not a whole lot. I'm not going crazy because, again, I don't really know motorcycles. But there is an improved chain set out there and an improved rear shock out there from Scale Motor, which we have downloaded and 3D printed. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get the camera flipped around and take a look at what's in the box. Alright guys, the next project on the bench is going to be the Ducati 916 motorcycle by Tamiya. This is a 1/12 scale kit. This is honestly only my second motorcycle, so I really don't know what I'm doing with these. I honestly haven't seen what's inside this box myself. This was sealed up until a few seconds ago. Alright, looks like we have our instructions in the bottom. 2 gray screws. We have 2 gray screws, a black and a chrome sprue, a red sprue and a clear sprue, and that clear sprue is sliding around inside that bag. Get that out of there. Right, I'm going to debag this stuff and we will take a look. We have a painting and decal guide. Instructions are fold out. There's all of your color callouts there. We're going to start with our clear sprue here. Looks like we got some lights and whatnot. Glass itself looks really good. Optically, it's very clear. Doesn't look like it's gotten scratched up, being in the bag unprotected. But we're going to go right ahead and get that inside a plastic zippy bag. I get these from Hobby Lobby out of the jewelry section. Grabbed a whole bunch of different sizes, but they're really nice for, getting your clear parts nice and safe. We have our decal sheet here. Those are really nicely done. Now, I'm not going to go on about all the parts on here because honestly, I have no idea what some of this stuff is because I don't build bikes. But what I am doing is getting out of my comfort zone, like Charlie Max says to do. That man is a model building legend, so I am taking his advice and building something other than just cars. There's our chrome sprue. That's all going to get stripped because when you go to glue these exhaust pieces together, you're going to end up with nubs, just bald spots where those
connection points are. So in my opinion, you're better off just stripping all this chrome off and respraying it. You also get into more accurate colors. The molding is really nice though. Get in there maybe with a very fine drill bit and drill all those holes out. Kind of wish I had that little drill press that Chris from CD Scale Models did a video on a while back. Looks like some frame stuff. Maybe brakes. Like I said, I don't know what all these parts are. What I do want to do is take a closer look at that chain. That's really not that bad. That being said, our friends at Scale Mota across the pond have 3D modeled replacement chain, which is very nicely detailed, so I may be using that instead. One more gray sprue. Looks like a bunch of engine components, maybe. I mean, like these are the engine, I know, but the rest of this I'm not real sure about. We will definitely be spending a lot of time on the Bring a Trailer website looking up at reference photos. We have our body. So we are going to end up with a seam that we're going to need to clean up. And we have this bag of goodies. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, there's a spring that just rolled away. Well, that's interesting. Not sure what that goes to. Oh, they give us a screwdriver. So we're going to be doing some screws. I would assume this is some hosing. And some more hosing. Tires look really cool. Oh, they're branded Pirellis. That's nice. That's a chunky rear tire there. Very nice. And in this bag, which I don't really want to open up because some of those look freaking tiny, there are a lot of screws. And maybe a nut? Some brass tubing. Yeah, I'm not opening this up at all till we get into it. I wonder if they gave us any spares. I hope so, because chances are I'm going to lose at least one of these. Alright guys, so that is the unboxing for Tamiya's 916 Ducati. Looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. I don't really know what a lot of these parts are or what they do, but we're going to have a blast with it and see what we come up with. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I always appreciate you watching the videos, and I will catch you guys on the next one.